Good evening, India. I am Ankita Singh and you're watching Channel 6 Network's Evening Bulletin. It's a new day and we are here to bring you the latest updates from across the nation and beyond. So stay tuned as we dive into the top stories this evening. Political analysts are calling this a new chapter in Maharashtra's already turbulent political scene, especially following Ajit Pawar's rebellion earlier this year that split the NCP. Supriya Sule, however, continuing to vote with her family in Baramati and rejecting the manufactured allegations leveled against her. She has also filed defamation cases in response. Exit polls will be available shortly on major TV news channels and online platforms like YouTube. Polling agencies such as Access, MyIndia, and SeeVoter are expected to provide detailed forecasts, offering insights into the potential outcomes of the 2024 elections. As voting continues in Maharashtra, billionaire Harsh Goenka has criticized the apathy towards voting among the elite, urging greater participation across all sectors of society. Authorities are hoping that such critiques will inspire more citizens to head to the polling booths. With elections looming in Telangana, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has praised the state's proposed gig workers bill, emphasizing the need for inclusive consultations and fair labor welfare policies that address the rights of workers in informal sectors nationwide. The situation in Manipur remains tense as Chief Minister N. Biren Singh vows to bring those responsible for the killings to justice. His government is under immense pressure to restore peace and stability in the region. In a significant legal development, the Delhi High Court has stayed the trial proceedings in the Aircel Maxis case involving former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. Supporters argue that the case has been dragging on unnecessarily, with future developments expected to set a precedent for public figures facing similar trials. The Supreme Court will soon hear a challenge to the practice of pre-censorship in films. The case has sparked growing concerns over free speech and artistic freedom, and its outcome could reshape film regulations across the country. In light of the escalating air pollution crisis in Delhi, the government has ordered half of its employees to work from home. This follows new, stricter pollution control measures imposed by the Commission for Air Quality Management. Elon Musk's ambitious vision of colonizing Mars has taken a low hit as SpaceX Starship booster failed to land successfully during its latest test. Despite the setback, the company remains committed to its goals of space exploration. At the ongoing COP29 summit in Baku, Azerbaijan, India has called on wealthy nations to fulfill their financial commitments for climate adaptation, as the world faces increasing environmental challenges. In the midst of shifting political alliances, former Union Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde has endorsed an independent candidate in Solapur South. His endorsement adds further intrigue to what is expected to be a high-stake election. Thank you for watching Channel 6 Network. Get more details on channel6network.com and do follow us on social media. Good night.